Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a June 2023. In the left corner, you can see on the top 11 variant question number 12. And how to do this kind of question, get ready. First of all, very clear mention here, the circle P as the center 02. Where circle P, students? Circle P is here. So this big circle is P and center 02, center 02, X is confirmed 0 and Y is confirmed 2. I call as a C, just sake of understand, of easiness of mine. So radius is 10 given. So it means this 10, this 10, this 10, this 10, this 10. Okay. And the question of tangent of circle at a point A, you can see this black color line touching the circle at A. And what is the coordinates of A? 6, 10. So I'm writing here 6, 10. So A coordinate, even I have it. You know, this question you have to read properly. Nothing hard, only proper reading. It also shows second circle Q. You can see a small circle Q on the top. Even he mentioned Q here. At the center of circle where tangent meets the y. It means this is a center of circle. Okay, I call this as a C1 and this I call as a C2. But C2 I don't know, and that in common sense when a line cut the y-axis here x always 0. Okay, I can find it easily later on. He's saying the radius of the small circle is this much. So this radius from here to here is 5 by 2 root 5. Okay, that's it. Now, what is the question he's demanding from us? He's demanding write down the equation of circle of P circle. Center you have? Yes. Radius you have? Yes. I repeat, radius 10, center 02. So nothing hard because basic formula is what? X minus A whole square and plus Y plus B whole square equal to R square. This is a square form. How to read it? Square form of circle. Okay, and A is called center, A is called as 0, and B is called as 2. So I think this is a piece of cake for us, and we have done it well, alhamdulillah. And radius is 10. So 10 you square like this is 100% correct answer. You stop here. But if you write like this is also correct, which I'm writing finally. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. This is full mark because 1 mark only. All right. Let's go for the part number next, equation of tangent at A. So have a constant, I need a constant concentration, students. This is a blue line is called what? Radius. I repeat again, this is a radius. Making 90 degree with the tangent, 90 degree with the tangent. And this is a tangent I'm looking for equation. And luckily a point lies on A given by him. So how we can find equation of tangent, students? So we have a formula all of us familiar. Y minus y1 m gradient of tangent time to x minus x1. Okay, point is given 6, 10. So 10, and this 10 is coming in the place of y1, 6 is coming in the place of x1. So look, I'm writing so easily x minus 10 and y minus 10 and x minus 6. Only thing is I don't know tangent gradient. But you know, students, this is a C1A. So gradient of C1A we can find easily, C1A. And C1A is this 2, okay. So Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. I'm getting 8 by 6, it becomes 4 over 3. But this is a gradient of this line. So look, blue line gradient, I have it, but I need a black line. And you know, 90 degree, it's called perpendicular. This line is right line here as perpendicular lines. So what is the gradient of the tangent turn to be? Negative reciprocal. 3 will go up, 4 will come down, and sign changes. It means negative 3 over 4. This will come here. And I believe now you got a clear picture. So this 4 will multiply here, and negative 3 multiplies inside. So 4 times the 4 by the 5, 4y and 40, and negative 3x and plus 18. And 4y is equals to negative 3x, and 40 goes there and become plus 58. And this is equation of tangent comes true. Okay. You can stop it here, or you can shuffle, you can convert into other format even, and no problem at all. So let's go for next part. Next part, find equation of circle Q. Stop here. Where circle Q, students? Very interesting. Circle Q is here. And luckily, the radius of Q is given by him is here. He mentioned. So only missing is center of circle. And I said you whenever equation of tangent cutting the y-axis here, yx0. I will plug in x0, job number one, find y, and then I can use it easily. So I'm saying here, this equation I am taking from here. So this equation copy and I paste here. And now what I'm going to do, students, I'm going to put for C. See what is C center? Put x is equal to 0. When I plug against 0 here, for y equal to 0 plus 58. And y, I get it 4 ones of 4. And 4, wait a minute, I think it's coming fraction form, 29 by 2. It's coming 29 by 2. It's not a coming whole number. So this is a clear. It means center of circle is coming, is very clear. X0, Y 29 by 2. This is a C1. And how to find equation of circle, students? Equation of circle Q. You know basic formula, student? Y minus Y1, as I have done on the top. This formula. Same formula, I'm writing it here. Circle of equation of circle. X minus A whole square plus Y minus B whole square equals to R square. Center, this is 0 coming here, 29 by 2 coming here, and radius we know already. Let me write 5 by 2 root 5. So 5 over 2 root 5. This is the radius always already given by him. So x minus 0 whole square, y minus 29 over 2 whole square, and square of this radius. And student, if you stop here, full marks. If you stop here, full marks. Hold on. If you stop here, full marks. But I always write in this little simplest form, and that is a good to write, which is helpful for us. Here, you know, square of 5 give us 25. Hold on, yes, good. Square of 5 is 25. Square of 5 root 5 is only 5. Square of 2 give you 4. So it means 125 by 4. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I think all students understood how I got it. And Mabruk, this is also clear. So he was asking equation of circle Q, which we have done it. Now, this is a very interesting part, students. Hence, verify the y coordinates of both point of intersection. He talked about intersection of two circles. And you know very well when two lines intersect, or one curve and one curve line intersect, or two circles intersect. Whenever we need looking for these coordinates, we solve them simultaneously. Okay, we eliminate either x or eliminate y. This is a way of doing. So let's start and let's see how we can do it. This concept is a little bit tough, okay, but inshallah, I believe it will be easy when I will start. Inshallah, let's start. So first of all, I'm going to do this part. So top equation of circle, this I'm bringing down. Look at students. This equation of circle, I copy and I paste here. Inshallah, I believe you will understand this copy. And this equation of circle, second equation, I'm copying from here. Copy and pasting here. Inshallah, I believe you will understand. Okay. Now, student, what is the next plan? I'm looking for intersection. So intersection means I will cancel x. And now this first and this later. So it means y minus 2 whole square negative y minus 29 by 2 whole square. And this minus this, I can type in my calculator directly. 100 minus 125 over 4. My answer is coming fraction 275, sorry, not 4. 75 upon 4. Now a little bit hard algebra is coming, which I'm doing in this part of the page. Here expanding, here expanding. When expanding it here, student, look at I said before, scoring identity is a very important. Here I'm expanding first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Okay, students, 1 minute. I drag the whole thing slightly left side because I need a proper space. Okay, this I expanded here, students. Now I'm going to expand the second part with a negative sign here. Be careful because a lot of algebra here. So again, same story, students. First term square negative 2 into first term into second term and plus second term square, plus second term square, and equal to what? That is a very clear 275 upon 4. I'm writing it up. Okay, student, if I expand, what I get? Y squared is negative 4 and plus 4. Here, this negative sign will change all signs. Negative y square, negative into negative, positive, and this 2 will cancel from up and down. And I got 29y. And what about this, student? 29 by 2 square. If you square it, you will get what here? A plus, not plus, sorry, due to negative sign, negative. And I get what here? 841 over 4 equal to 275 over 4. You know, y square students cancel. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. Now 29 and out of 4 gone, I got a 25y. And now this 4, this number, and this number, if I type all together, you know how type? This will go there and this will go there. And I am saving my time. I typing all together. 275 upon 4 plus 841 over 4 and minus 4. And I get here 275. And now divided by 25. And congratulations, I get 11 proved. And this was my target. You know, he was saying what? Read the statement, please. If they intersect at 11. And it means I got 11. Mabruk. This was the toughest part, what I believe, because a lot of algebra. Okay, let's talk about the last part. And he said, what further? Okay, that's it. That's it. Parts D and last part of the question. Find the coordinates of point of intersection of tangent and circle Q. Repeat. Tangent and circle Q. Where is the tangent and circle Q? Tangent is this and circle Q is this. Okay. So actually he talked about this point of intersection. I mean this point section and this point intersection. Right, students? So what I will plan, circle of Q and equation of tangent, solve them simultaneously. So one by one, I'll pick. This is the equation of a tangent. Hold on, my students. This is a little bit tough. Not tough, algebra only, you know. Copy and I paste here. This is tangent equation. I have it. Where's circle of Q, students? Okay, this is circle of Q. This is circle of Q. This circle of Q. Copy and I'm pasting here. Okay, so now what to do, students? Solve them simultaneously. What is the technique I have, students? Either I can take a y subject and plug in it here, or x subject plug in it here. Okay, because ultimately this 3-mark question. So coordinates of point of intersection of tangent and circle Q. Okay, tangent and circle Q. Once again I recheck. Yeah, this is correct. Yes, correct. So let's start now. It's a little bit tough algebra logic because this is y and this x. Okay, I think it's better if I make a y subject. Okay, let's start y subject. So if I make a y subject from here, so what I get it? Y equal to 58 minus 3x over 4. This y value, I'm going to plug it inside here. So again, a big task, because students do mistake normally in algebra while attempting. So I believe, inshallah, you will do good. So concentrate, please. What I will do here, a lot of chance of mistake, take LCM. So LCM is 4 and 4 same. So 58 minus 3x same. This 4 not matching, into 2 up, into 2 down. So 29 into 2, it gives us 58. So minus 58. I believe up till here, the point is clear. Now x to power 2. Okay, so and then afterward, this 58 cancel out. And I got what, student? Negative 3x over 4 whole square. I believe the question is look like now easy now. Okay, square of 3 gives us 9. I repeat my words, 9. And square of x gives us x square. Square of 4 gives us 16. I believe now it's become easy. So what is this LCM, students? So I take LCM here, 16, and 16 into 1 and 16x squared. And I believe you're understanding it well up till now. Only lengthy algebra, nothing else up to that. This I get a 25x squared, and 16 will go up. So I get what, or I can make it this way. I think I close my answer. Now x squared alone, 125 upon 4 already present. 16 will go up like this. 25 will come down like this. And now I'm typing in calculator, so it will save my time. And I get what sharp 20. And my answer is coming plus and minus root 20. Okay, students, so my sharp value is plus and minus 20 because he was asking us the coordinates of point of intersection. Okay, so I got a one positive root 20 and one negative. It means this is positive root 20 and this is, sorry, this is negative and this is a positive. I think this point is very clear. And I'm looking for y coordinates, not a hard job for us. This both values I will plug in here. Okay, so I'm writing now here, I make extra space. So x equal to negative root 20 and positive root 20. Okay, an equation of this one I am copy paste here. So copy here and paste here and paste here and again and paste here. Right, and now I'm going to find. So this will plug in it here. So this y equal to 58 minus 3 root of 20 over 4. And same way here, 58 minus 3 root 20. Hold on, this negative come negative, negative, positive. But here it remains same as it is. So what is answer, student? You know, first x value and then y value. So negative root 20, comma 58 plus 3 root 20 over 4. But we have to do some extra work, I tell you, just last finally. And what is that extra work? Root 20, comma 58, negative 3 root 20 over 4. Okay, what is a root 20? You know, check in calculator. If you type in calculator directly root 20, it gives you in third form. And what is third form? If you don't know, I tell you. 5 4s are 20. Look at here. 5 4s are 20. Okay, root 5 alone and root 4 alone give you 2. So root 5 2 into 2. So 2 root 5. So here I'm writing 2 root 5. So 2 root 5 is so I can write it this also same. 2 root 5. I think I can do it here better rather than doing at the end. Okay, no problem. So 2 root 5, 2 3 is 6. So 6 root 5 over 4. Okay, simplest form. And 2 root 5 and 58 minus 6 root 5 over 4. I think clear. Now, final answer, I'm writing this here. 2 can common out. I get a 2 down and 3 root 5 and plus. So 58 divided by 2. You can check it, 29 comes. So Mabruk, this is my final answer. And same from the other, So I think got idea. So 2 root 5, but you can do it using calculator rather than doing the way I'm doing, okay? So I think this point is clear. And I think the point is final done. And we have done question completely. And just finally, 3 root 5, 29. And x value was 2 root 5. And concept is total clear, I believe, and you got